No, Suey. As you can see, my nails broke. What day was it? Wednesday. No, can't be. Monday. My nails broke Monday, and right now it is Thursday. I have work tomorrow. I work with cash registers. I work with computers. I'm not the type of person that has nails. I mean, my nails are always pretty short. It's easy to get used to. That doesn't make sense, does it? I don't know what I'm saying. I've just wanted them all to just leave. Go home. I don't want you anymore. I'm gonna stay in a hotel. Ignore. This is a plan. I'm gonna hate this YouTube video so much, I can already tell. Like, I can hear my voice right now. I just want to cry because, like, this is cringe and embarrassing. And I don't know why I'm doing it. But the good thing is that Google is a thing. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's search. Sorry. Because of these nails, it's a bit hard to type. How to at home. Let's see what comes up. With them. What's acetone? How to remove of acrylic nails using acetone. Oh, I'm actually gonna punch. Let's just see what acetone is. Sorry, big W, I don't think that's it. Acetone nail? Oh, so it's nail polish remover. I have a feeling there's an easier way to do it. Oops, sorry. This is one of the easiest and gentlest methods of removing these. Oh, they are stubborn, aren't they? It is also the safest method. I'm gonna do a transition. Let's go. Why don't I just go? Okay. Gucci! I know what will be cool. When it's the chorus, I'll do it. Hang on. You ready? I'm gonna fade it. Oh my god, I'm gonna fade it. Alright, so we're in the kitchen. Bench. We're gonna have everything set up here. Have a little one-on-one chat, you know? So I better just have the timer on ready. Let's do 25 minutes. Whew, it's hot in this room, isn't it? I feel like I should put a light on. Wow, that didn't make a difference. I'm filming on my iPad because my phone, like the microphone's a bit dodge. I trim the nail to the shortest length possible. How come my nails just like don't fit under this? Unless that worked, didn't it? Ow, it's starting to hurt now. Oh my god, wait, is that my real nail? I'm so dumb. This is right next to me. This professional, do not try this at home. You say we're just friends, but I swear when nobody's around. Wouldn't that be funny if, like, okay, not funny. I accidentally cut my finger off and I had to go to hospital and it was all in this video. I actually have to like hold it with my whole hand like this because I'm not strong enough. That one looks horrible. I'm hoping this is the right tool to use. If it's not, don't copy me. Ow. Look, that's not prying the edges. I don't even know what that means. It's just like glued. I have a feeling I have to use acetone. Would that be so wrong? I'm gonna look for some nail polish remover. Let's do this. Guys, we got polish remover with acetone. Don't you hate child lock? I'm still a child. Let's pour it in. I shouldn't use that bowl. Gotta switcheroo. Let's pour it in. Oh no! It poured everywhere. Let's do timer for 25 minutes. Honestly, I never use my pop socket. I need to get it out with one hand. Wow, trickster. I'm probably never going to use this video, so if I do, and you're watching this, like, wow, you should be surprised. Ew, it's so gross looking at my ugly nails when I type. Iconic. I mean, sorry, just played the wrong song. Rave. If this doesn't work, I'm actually gonna cry. nails coming off. Let's YouTube it. Me and... Oh, taking off acrylic nails is the first thing. Oh, so people do them. I mean, you know mine's gonna be the best. I'm gonna make the best thumbnail. I look so random. So random. I ripped my acrylic nail off. Pain. Worst painful ever. Do I mean worst pain? 6 million views. Okay, this is me for sure. I'm definitely gonna get that much. My friend's texting me. Yeah, yeah. All that I can say was. It's actually really hot here. And in Australia, you know. I always say I'm gonna cry a lot, and I don't know if it's a bit worrying. So whenever mum goes to work, she leaves us a little note on paper to say what we have to do today. Good morning. Please put the dishes away and keep the house tidy. Close your rooms too if need. Oh, clean your room. My room's already clean. I did it last night. Love you girls. XOXO. Gossip Girl. This is gonna be a long video. I'm gonna be so impatient that I probably won't even take these off and I'll come to work one hand with nails. That'd be funny. You ready to hear my song? That was scary. Oh, I'm actually gonna cry. I'm so done. Okay, so I'm just recording on my laptop quick. I finally got my first hand off. The reason I'm recording on this is because the iPad died. I couldn't do anything about it because my nails were still in the thing. That was probably half an hour of me trying to get them off. Swipe to the outro. Hey, this is the outro. I forgot to do it today when I got my nails off. So right now it's like 7 o'clock at night. Just finished editing. So I hope you enjoyed and I hope you like, subscribe, comment whatever video you want me to do. Thanks my 2 viewers. Bye.